I found the one again. I found the one again.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a home baking rocky roads kind of thing with like thick chocolate on the top, so it's really nice and chocolatey and gooey. So I hope you guys enjoy.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite.
So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will list all the ingredients that I have used and how I made it down below in the description box, just in case you guys are interested. I've got really shiny forehead and I don't know why. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.